bread is made with Hokkaido flour. So flour imported from Japan, from Hokkaido, which makes like the texture like super soft, very like different than any of the breads that we've had. And then no additives or preservatives. So all the bread, the only disadvantage is that it doesn't last long, but then we recommend to eat it like as soon as possible, which is usually not a problem. But yeah, so no additives or preservatives. So the shelf life is only 2 days. So we always recommend like you eat it. And then if you don't eat it within, like right now, then we'd wrap it up and put it in the freezer, preserve it like the right way, and then you can warm it up again. But yeah, so we always say like no additives, preservatives. Everything is made with Hokkaido flour, and then we bake like throughout the day, like every hour, every like 30 minutes, I'll say. Because some bakeries they kind of bake all at once and they just leave it out, For us, like it's so like in demand that we just bake it like so people are willing to wait. Like they come in and then they're like, oh, no more butter rolls, but then we're like, oh, this is coming out in like 15 minutes, and like, okay, we'll wait. So we get like a lot of like reservations in that way. So yeah, we're constantly baking throughout the day.
Because we're using white oak. We have a smoker over there. I'll walk you guys over there. And then, so out here you get your server, you have your hostess, you have your full line, right? Full bar. Inside, and I'll walk you guys in there too. Inside is a Chipotle Kava concept, but in the same menu that's here, it's created in there. Meaning, Anaheim has two different things that we noticed since we opened in Familia a year and a half ago. You have quick people that are on the go, right? The offices, people are here, or people that just leave Disneyland and come here, get something to eat, and they want to go back. So we want to cater to both, right? So if you have an hour of your time, you can sit down and enjoy the full service. If you have a 30-minute break, you can grab something to eat real quick. You can grab a bowl, you can get a wrap, you can get a burrito, a taco, or a sandwich. So it's kind of like wherever you sit at, it kind of gives you a show. We are officially the only outdoor bar in here that's active, which is great. As you can see, we're adding, before when it rained, they would shut the place down. When it rains, we have heaters in here, you won't even feel the difference. So we'll be able to enclose the whole thing. You can still be outside in the rain. Something that's very unique to our own culture, but mixing it with like a big inspiration on Texas. And then just remembering what grandma taught us how to cook, so slow raising and being everything from scratch. So freshly made breads, and then slaws and all that stuff made to order. It's gonna be great. And then we're also gonna have a seafood bar. So the seafood bar is gonna have like prawns. We're gonna have oysters. So you'll be able to see that inside. So we'll try this out. Let me know what you guys think, and then we'll walk you guys inside, kind of explain to you guys the concept of what's gonna be inside. Appetizers inside, you'll be able to get this same duplicate of a bowl. So you can build your own bowl. You can like honestly.